students, in revision 3 also we are going to see some questions from the chapter electricity. Question number 1. Why a meter burns out when connected in parallel? Give reasons. Now, an ammeter consists of a wire of low resistance. So when we connect it in parallel, the total resistance of the circuit becomes more lesser than that of the ammeter. So a large amount of current passes through it, and because of that it burns out. Question number 2. The circuit shown in the diagram, what is the value of current through 6 ohm resistor and potential difference across 12 ohm resistors? We can see there are 4 resistors here. Two of them are connected in series here, and these two are connected in series, but these two series combinations are connected in parallel with the battery. So first we are considering this combination of 6 ohm and 9 ohm. Definitely the combined resistance of this series combination will be of 9 ohm, and the same current will flow through this series combination. So that current flowing through, if it is of I1, so I1 equals to 4 upon 9. Why we have taken 4? Because these two combinations are connected in parallel with this battery. So a potential difference of 4 volts will be here and here also. So it gives us the value of I1, which is flowing through these two resistors of 6 ohm and 9 ohm, will be 0.44 ampere. Therefore, the current through 6 ohm resistor will be also of 0.44 ampere. Now the second part. The resistances of 12 ohm and 3 ohm are connected in series, so their combined resistance will be 12 ohm plus 3 ohm equals to 15 ohm. Now current through this series combination will be given by I2. So it will be again V upon R, that is 4, and R is the combined resistance of this combination, so it is 15. Now by taking this value as it is, the same current flows through 12 ohm resistor. Therefore, potential difference across 12 ohm resistor will be given by V2 equals to I2 into 12. V equals to IR. So V2 equals to 4 upon 15 into 12, which gives us the value of potential difference across the 12 ohm resistor as 3.2 volts. Now what is electric charge? This question is of 5 marks. In this there are 3 parts. What is electric energy? Write its commercial unit. The second part, write down the relation between electrical energy and power. And third one is a numerical one. Now the first part, the electrical energy of an electrical appliance is the product of its power and the time for which it is used. So it can be written as E equals to P into T. And the commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. Its symbol is small k, capital WH. So we can write electrical energy E equals to power P into time T. These are the two parts. Now the third part, a household uses the following electrical appliances. Refrigerator of rating 400 watt for 10 hours each day. Two electric fans of rating 80 watt each for 12 hours each day. And 6 electric tubes of rating 18 watt each for 6 hours each day. Calculate the electricity bill of the household for the month of June. If the cost per unit of electric energy is rupees 3. Now energy consumed by a refrigerator will be given by P into T, and it is 400 into 10 equals to 4000 watt. For two electric fans, it will be 2 into 80 into 12, where 80 is the power consumed by one electric fan and 12 is the time for which it has been used. It gives us 1920. Now energy consumed by 6 electric tubes will be 6 into 18 into 6, which gives us 648 watt. So the total consumption of electrical energy in one day will be 4000 plus 1920 watt plus 648 watt, which gives us 6560 watt. When we convert it in kilowatt, we have to divide it by 1000, so it gives us 6.568 kilowatt. Now electrical energy consumed in the month of June, since it is of 30 days, so it will be multiplied by 30, which gives us 197.04. And when it is multiplied, total cost will be 197.04 into rupees 3. So the electricity bill will be of rupees 191.12. Question number 4. An electric lamp is labeled 12 volt and 36 watt. This indicates that it should be used with a 12 volt supply. What other information does the label provide? Now, as we know, power equals to P equals to work done upon time taken. So, the electric lamp consumes energy at the rate of 36 joules per second. This is the next information that we are getting from this label. Now, if the potential difference between the ends of a wire of fixed resistance is doubled, by how much does the electric power increases? Now, power P is given by V square upon R. So when potential difference across the ends is doubled, then power P dash will be given by, now we are doubling it, 2V whole square upon R. Resistance R is fixed. So it gives us P dash equals to 4 into V square upon R. Now this V square upon R is the value of the previous power. So P dash is equals to 4 into P. So the power increases 4 times.